Another hearing in the case between pandemic unemployment assistance claimants and DETR took place today. The judge denying a request to send mass payments to unpaid claimants. Joe Moeller live with a bit more on what exactly happened. Joe?
Yeah, Brian, the court discussed a number of topics, a number of issues with DETR today. Now, some think progress is being made, but the attorney representing the claimants in this case thinks otherwise. Now, according to a report, 243,000 unpaid PUA claims are still out there. 186,000 were flagged as fraud, and 57,000 have issues not related to fraud. The special master, Jason Ganasso, who has been analyzing the data, thinks DETR has been substantially complying with the court's order to reinstate payments, but also said PUA claimants who are already found to be eligible should be paid immediately. Even we have come across some of those who say they never had their payments reinstated.
At some point in time, if this court is concerned that those payments have not resumed in full, for those groups of people, then there's going to be a reckoning. And that reckoning will be after a hearing where the state is able to come in and convince the court that is complied with the court's order. Not mostly complied.
We know that there were 50,000.
Attorney Mark Thierman, who represents claimants, believes DETR is not complying with the order. He says making sense of DETR's numbers is difficult. As for a recent massive denial of claims, Thierman says there is a lot of confusion between the different filing options now. According to the report of the 79,000 people who had been denied PUA, only 7,800 have filed appeals. Now, questions were raised as to if the appeals process is working like it should. Now, the issue is headed to the Nevada Supreme Court due to an appeal filed by Thierman. Now, the next hearing in this court is set for September 10th. That is when the judge will make a decision on whether or not DETR is doing what they're supposed to when it comes to reinstating those payments that were stopped. Reporting live, I'm Joe Moeller. I'll send it back to you in the studio.